This my video had 20,000 views, and out of that 20,000 views, 70% of the views came from search. And if you are to calculate 70% of 20,000 views, you're going to get 14,000 views out of that. And that means that 14,000 views out of the 20,000 views came from search. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you the steps that you need to follow to be able to get your videos on the search page anytime somebody search a topic related to your video. So make sure you watch the video all the way from beginning to the end to be able to also get the same results as I'm getting, or similar results to my own, or even better results than my own. So make sure you're watching the video all the way from beginning to the end. And this particular video, if you made a mistake and skip some part of the video, then it is also going to affect you a lot, because every part of this video is packed with knowledge that can help you to actually rank your video on the first page when somebody search topic related to your video. So the first thing that you need to do when you want your videos to rank on the search bar anytime somebody search topic related to your video is that you need to actually use search based terms like how to tutorials. If you're making video, make sure you're making videos that are related to how to things, so that you can put the title of your video like how to, so that if somebody is going to say, the person is going to actually use how to, and you put the main topic or the main thing that you are targeting. Let's say how to play a basketball. We are targeting basketball, so we'll do how to play a basketball, and we can add other things that we are looking for or we want it to be included. But basketball, put in mind that basketball is the main topic that we are focusing on, so we are going to use how to play a basketball. So we are focusing on basketball. If somebody search topic like basketball, then our video is likely to pop on the first homepage when somebody is actually searching things related to basketball. And other ways that you can also get your video to rank on the search bar when it comes to search is that you can also use ways like best way to. If you also use term like best way to, that means many people, if somebody is searching for something, the person is going to be looking for things like best way to or best something. So you put best anytime that you are making videos. Make sure you are putting it the topic best way to or best ways to, so that if somebody search something like that, your video is going to pop up on the home page. Let's say you want to say you want to actually do something like best cameras. You are looking for a camera, you say best camera for things that you want to do. Let's say best cameras for YouTube videos. That means we are targeting best cameras. So your first the first sentence of your title, the first sentence should be best cameras for YouTube videos. That means you are targeting cameras. Your keyword is cameras and YouTube. So we are targeting these two things. So you can put on the search that best cameras for YouTube videos. So and make sure you also put them in capital letters. Put camera in capital letters and also put YouTube in capital letters, so that YouTube will know that, or the platform will know that, this is your main focus, or this is what you are targeting, so that they are going to actually rank that particular video on the homepage if somebody search for things like that. And you can also do a product comparison. You can also do a comparison. Let's say we can say product A versus product B. Let's say two body versus video IQ. Two body versus video IQ. You're comparing two particular product that is actually working on the same thing. Two body and video IQ, they are all actually tools or softwares that you can use to improve on your videos, and you are actually putting them as a comparison. And just a quick reminder that I'm going to be putting these particular two tools link in this particular video description. So if you want to go and use them, you can go and use them. The links are going to be in this video description. So TubeBuddy and Video IQ, their links are going to be in this video description. They are also going to help you a lot when you want to actually rank your videos on the first page on YouTube or on Google or on any other platform, they are going to help you a lot. Their links are going to be in this video description. So as you like use search terms like that, the next thing that you can also do to also like increase your visibility when somebody search term that you are targeting is make sure you include that particular keyword on the first sentence of your video description. Make sure you include it on your video description. Let's say, for instance, if you are targeted, like you are saying best cameras for YouTube videos. So, and let's say you are going to write your video description, you can actually put like, this video contains the best cameras that you can use when you want to make your first video on YouTube, or when you want to start content creation on YouTube. So you can see that the sentence is actually constructed well, and the keywords are actually included on the first sentence of our description. And that way, if somebody like YouTube, like somebody search that particular keyword, and YouTube is actually going to like scan their page, like, or their platform to find out that particular keyword, then your video is likely to rank on the first page on YouTube. So the next way that you can also do when you want your videos to also rank on the first page on YouTube is make sure you include links in your video description. Include the links in your video description. Make sure you include the links in your video descriptions. And what did I mean by including links? Let's say you are using other social media platforms, like let's say you're using Facebook, you're using Instagram, you're using Twitter, and you're also having some product that you are selling, or you have affiliated to some product or some platforms. Then you can put that particular platform's link in your video description. And because of that, if YouTube sees something like that, they are going to see that, oh, this particular like video, the person means business, or the person is serious about things that he's doing, and he's having other links that redirecting people to other places. And yeah, you're going to be a trustworthy like place for YouTube, and because of that, your probability of your video ranking on the first page is very high. So if you want your videos to rank on the first page on the YouTube platform, I think you should actually do that, like these particular things that I've just mentioned. And more to the point, encourage people to actually comment in the comment section. Encourage people to comment in the comment section, and has people like YouTube has seen people commenting back on the video, like they are going to actually trick the algorithm that, oh, this particular video, like people like it and they are commenting on that particular video, then probability of them pushing that particular video to more audience to test that particular video out is very high. So make sure you put it in such a way that it is going to trigger people to comment. Let's say that like you were making videos on video on best cameras to start making videos, or best cameras you can use to start your YouTube channel, and you tell the people that you are going to make, like you're going to give them 5 points or 5 best things that they should look out in camera before starting or before buying that particular camera to use to start their YouTube channel. You can tell them that you're going to give them 5 points, and you end up giving them 3 points or 4 points. And because of that, people are going to be asking you, oh, you told us that you're going to be giving us 5 points, but you end up giving us 4 points. Give us the last point. Because of that, if you are like to continue to act that way, then it is going to trigger YouTube that, oh, this particular video need more attention. People are interested in that. It needs more attention, and then YouTube is going to actually broadcast it to many people, and probability of your video ranking on the first page if somebody said topic related to that is very high. And I'm very sure that I'm confident that if you follow these steps, your video is going to be ranked on the first homepage on YouTube. So if this video was helpful and you want to be getting tips like this from me, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also comment in the comment section what you think about this video, or